Good morning, folks. Welcome to week 10. I'm going to quickly go over all of your assignments for this week. So, first and foremost, we have two PowerPoints. 1.3.2, making holes in CAD, and then 1.3.3, constraining a sketch. So, those are the two PowerPoints. They each have an assignment or a worksheet that goes along with them. So, for making holes in CAD, you have the Making Holes in CAD practice worksheet. I'm not making you take notes, but you will have to review the PowerPoint in order to complete the assignment or the worksheet. So once you've reviewed the PowerPoint, you should be able to fill out this worksheet. It's asking you to practice identifying holes and writing hole notes. Write a hole note to the that corresponds to each of the following holes. You're going to copy and paste the symbols below down here. You'll copy and paste these in here when writing your notation. So there's 3 of those. Once you're finished, you'll submit that for credit. Then you'll check out the constraints, PowerPoint, constraining a sketch. You'll then answer the worksheet. You may have to do research. You may have to find pictures for this assignment, but you will be defining in your own words what these constraints mean, and then you'll be giving a picture of what that tool looks like. So in Onshape, you have all of these tools to your all of these tools that you can access. You can take a screenshot, or you can just specifically look up online coincident tool, concentric tool, parallel tool, tangent tool, and then paste the picture in there because I want you to be familiar with what they look like. Okay, so those are the first 2 assignments. The last assignment is applying constraints tutorial. So in Onshape, you will complete this tutorial and then you will submit a screenshot on a document for credit, as well as share it with our team so that I can look at it after you are finished. So those are the 3 assignments I have for you this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Remember, do not wait until Friday or Saturday. Sorry, do not wait until Saturday or Sunday at 10 p.m. to start these things and start sending emails, because I will not be able to help you at that point. You should work on these assignments a little bit every day, and then as questions come up, you can ask them at an appropriate time, either in class or through virtual learning. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in class.